Just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can create a Slack bot. For that, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using my amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Okay, you just have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this create workflow and then create from scratch. Name your workflow as AI Slack bot right over here and then click on this create button and your workflow builder will open. Now you just have to click on this add to trigger button, select the trigger as schedule, select the event as schedule workflow, click on this connect. Select it as every day right over here and then simply choose the date and time using which you want to schedule this workflow. You can choose it right over here also how often do you want to run your workflow and then choose the time, and yes, this workflow is scheduled. Now using AI, we are just going to generate the content which we're going to post on our Slack channel. For that, click on this add new action step. And now for the action application, I'm just going to use Gemini in order to generate the content. You can use any another application of your own choice. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate content and click on this connect and click on this add a new connection. Now it is going to ask you for the API key. So to get this API key, just click on this Google AI Studio. Once you click on this, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section and then create API key button. Name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the key, your Google Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. But I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt using which we are just going to generate the content. So I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow and paste it right over here. Like you can see, I've used OpenAI right over here and over here I'm using Gemini. So you can use any AI tool of your choice. Pabbly supports most of them. Okay, so now you have seen that I've simply entered this prompt. I'm just going to select the model of my choice, select the method as generate content and click on the save and send test request button. Over here, if you want this prompt, you can just comment prompt and I'll just share you this prompt. And as you can see, I've generated the content right over here, which is a motivational good morning message which I want to send to my team on Slack every morning. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to send them this on Slack. So for that, let's just search for Slack and select it. For the event, select it as send channel message and click on this connect. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Slack. It is asking for the token type. It will be either user or bot. So if you want to learn more about this token type, or if you want to know the basic difference between the user and the bot token type, you can click on this learn more and you're going to find the document over here. You can read the basic difference. I'm just going to use bot as the token type, so you have to type bot or user, whatever you want to use right over here. Make sure that your Slack account is connected, or you can say is logged in before starting with the automation. Now just choose the workspace for which you want to create this automation. So as you can see over here is my workspace, which is named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to choose the same in which I have the channel. Okay, so this is very important that you choose the correct workspace right over here. So as you can see, the name of my workspace was Pabbly Connect. So I've selected the same and now Pabbly is going to ask me for some permission. So I have to click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because my data is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly. Now I have to select the channel ID in which I want to send the message. So this is my channel, which is sales team. So I'm just going to search for it and select it. For the message, yes, Gemini has generated that. So I'm just going to enter the same, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. Mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. We insert the data from the previous step so that our data can change with every new response. In order to enter this data, you have to put a slash and then simply map the data. Now you're going to see it's asking for many details, but all of these is not required. Just leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request button. And once you click on the save and send test request button, you're going to see that we have received the response. So let me just open my Slack and you're going to see, yes, this new message is sent. Now every day this new message will be sent on my Slack channel as I've scheduled this workflow. Go and try this amazing automation yourself. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.